This is the eco-worthy PowerMega 314, a battery system that stands out for its massive 16.07 kilowatt-hour capacity, an advanced active balancing BMS, and a dual safety system featuring integrated aerosol fire suppression and a 250 amp circuit breaker. Today we'll be testing it out with a 2-unit setup. We'll go over specs, installation, and most importantly, we'll put it to the test. If you're looking to beat high electricity bills or for solar or off-grid power storage, this may just be it. So, let's get started. Welcome back to Space Age Tech, where we look at the tech that pushes the limits. We've come to know EcoWorthy to be a brand focused on maximum power for maximum value. The PowerMega 314 is no exception. Each of these compact units has a massive 16.07 kilowatt-hour capacity, and you can expand the system with up to 15 units for a total of 241 kilowatt hours. When compared to a Tesla Powerwall, for example, with a capacity of 13.5 kilowatt hours, a PowerMega 314 comes out on top. It's very well suited for outages, off-grid systems, and whole home backup. This is a lithium iron phosphate battery system with 314 amp hours A-grade cells, known for its exceptional safety, longevity, and stability. This translates to a battery life of about 10 years, covered by EcoWorthy's warranty. Let's take a closer look. As you can see, this is a floor-standing unit that's built like a tank with a rugged metal casing. And even though it's a serious piece of hardware weighing around 280 pounds, it's actually pretty manageable to move because it sits on nylon wheels. Because of its sheer weight, each unit is delivered on a wooden crate, and it's fully padded to prevent damage in transit. What stands out when you're looking at it is its compact build for the amount of energy it holds. It feels incredibly sturdy. Inside, it's even got a built-in fire suppression system, so it's designed to be as safe as it is strong, with an integrated S-type aerosol fire suppression module and optimized internal wiring for enhanced thermal safety. On the side, you'll see various ports for hooking it up to your solar panel system, and a dedicated circuit breaker for an extra layer of safety. Let's take a closer look at some of the features and ports. On the top, we have our carry handles, one on each side to move the unit easily. Right below that, we have our ground connection. Then we can see the positive and negative terminals used to connect the inverter, charger, or another battery. Here's our very important on and off button. Then we have our 250 amp breaker and shunt trip for overcurrent protection and BMS second level protection. Then we have our status indicator lights as well as the add and dry contact switches to set up our battery as master or slave. Next we have our RS485 and CAN connectors for an inverter connection, our RS232 to connect to a host computer, and the RS485 in and outs for communication between batteries. We'll see the completed setup later in this video. Here's a closer look at the wheels. They're integrated into the metal chassis, and because they're made of nylon, there's very little friction when moving the unit around, making it movable by a single person. The wheels provide enough clearance to move the unit across the floor, but keep the center of gravity low for stability. You can lock and unlock the wheels by rotating the red gear. Right on the front of the unit, we have a big 7-inch color touchscreen. It gives you that command center feel where you can check your battery levels and voltage at a glance. We always have the main info on display, but you have the option to open the advanced menu for the battery management system. You're able to navigate to things like the cells info, which gives you the voltage or temperature of each of the cells in this unit. Pretty neat stuff. We're also able to see things like the status, the system information, and run protocols. Make sure to check the manual for the instructions, as running some of the advanced protocols can void the warranty. Now let's take a look at the full setup. This setup consists of two eco-worthy PowerMega 314 batteries and their 10,000 watt solar off-grid split phase inverter. The inverter keeps the system at 48 volts while doubling storage capacity to approximately 32 kilowatt hours. We highly recommend you hire an electrician for the installation to your solar panels, as there are real risks when handling electrical components. The first step is to do voltage balancing. Before connecting the two batteries, you must ensure they're at the same voltage level. This will require charging each battery separately until they're both fully charged. When wiring these units for a parallel connection, we want to make sure to connect the positive terminal on the first battery to the positive on the second, and repeat the same steps for the negative terminals. Then we connect the batteries to the inverter. To ensure a balanced draw, connect the positive cable from the inverter to the first battery, and then the negative cable from the inverter to the last battery in the chain. Remember, you can connect up to 15 of these units. The batteries need to talk to each other and the inverter to manage the charge properly. The first battery needs to be set up as the master, usually ID1, and the second one as its slave, ID2, using the small switches on the side panel. Use the RS485 in and RS485 out ports to daisy chain the batteries together. Then we can connect the CAN or RS485 port of the master battery to the communication port of your inverter. Then we're ready to go. You can flip the circuit breaker on each of the batteries, press the power switch on each unit, and on the master's battery screen, go to the protocol menu and select the correct setting for your inverter. If you'd like to know a little more about the eco-worthy 10,000 watt solar off-grid split phase inverter, you can check out our previous videos for more details. Here we're seeing one of the units charging, currently at 46%. You can clearly see the voltage, the current, and the capacity on the display. You can easily set charging times through the 10,000 watt inverter. This helps to maximize your electricity savings by charging during the off-peak hours. And now we can also observe the discharging process. Currently, we have 16.20 amps being pulled from this specific battery. The PowerMega 314 also comes equipped with Bluetooth and Wi-Fi for real-time remote viewing, so you always know what's going on with your battery system. The PowerMega 314 is an awesome product. It packs a staggering 16.07 kilowatt hours of storage into a single floor standing unit. That's more juice than a standard Tesla Powerwall, and you can parallel up to 15 of them for a massive 241 kilowatt hours whole home backup. It has industrial grade safety. Beyond the stable lithium iron phosphate chemistry, it's built like a tank with a dual pole 250 amp circuit breaker and an integrated aerosol fire suppression system that provides peace of mind for indoor installations. And you also get pro level management. It features an advanced active balancing system and A-grade cells rated for 10,000 plus cycles, all visible through a 7-inch HD touchscreen and built-in Bluetooth and Wi-Fi for total remote control. If you're ready to stop worrying about the next blackout or high energy bill and want the most bang for your buck in home energy storage, check out the link in the description for the latest deals on the PowerMega 314. Let us know your dream solar setup in the comments below. We'll be reviewing this and other amazing technology in our upcoming videos. If you enjoyed this one, please like and subscribe. It really helps our channel grow.